Okay, the next thing we're going to chop up is this nice onion. I'm going to chop it in half. Then we're going to trim off the ends. Then we're going to take the outer membranes off. And for this onion, I think we'll go one more layer. Give it a quick little rinse. And then we're going to chop it lengthwise. We don't want to make the onion slices too thin because this is going to be a stew. We want them to hold up. But it's going to add a really nice sweet flavor to our jjigae. I'll do this. Cut it once crosswise. And then I like to break them up a little bit. Makes it a little bit easier later on. And then, because these stews are one pot stews, we can just then take it and throw it into our pot.